friends, welcome to my channel. If you still haven't subscribed, then please do subscribe. And now let's get started with today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about a facial toner that I am using currently. I have actually talked about this toner in my skincare routine. If you have missed the video, I will put the link in the description, so do check it out. But I think I have missed certain points in that video which I should have told you. So here is a full review of that product. So the product that I am talking about is Wow Skin Sciences Coconut Super Rich Facial Toner. And now let's get started with the detailed review of this product. So here is a closer look of the Wow Skin Science Coconut Super Rich Facial Toner. So I really like the shape of the bottle. You can see this is a curved shaped bottle, so it's very easy to hold in hand and spray on your face. And this is how the bottle looks. It looks very stylish, and every detail is on the packaging. So it helps in refining pores, hydrate, and it tones skin. The key ingredients in the toner are coconut water, cucumber fruit water, green tea, and witch hazel extract. This is 100% alcohol free and dermatologically tested, and there is no paraben, sulfate or silicone in it, so it's very safe to use, and definitely use it daily for the best results. And this 200 ml bottle is priced at rupees 349 and the shelf life is 2 years. So here you can find that it's written about what benefits you are going to draw from this product if you use it daily. So it is a blend of skin loving natural ingredients like coconut water, cucumber fruit water, green tea extract, and witch hazel extract. It is alcohol free and does not strip the skin dry. Regular use also helps in reducing signs of aging. When you need an instant pick-me-up for dull and tired skin, reach for the facial toner. Trust us, your skin will be radiant with a youthful glow. And yes, my skin does glow after applying this toner. And the best part, if you use it in summers, what you can do is keep this facial toner in your freezer, and whenever your skin feels tired and sweaty, just clean your face for once and spray this on your face. You will feel very refreshed. I love using this facial toner because it hydrates my skin. It gives my skin an instant cool feeling. Like in summers, we definitely need a facial toner, and the best way you can use it is keep it in your freezer. So when the toner is cold, when you spray it on your face, it immediately gives your skin a cool feeling, and it is so relaxing. I really like that feeling. Also, it tones your face and makes your skin feel a lot clean. Another thing that I must mention is that this is a plant-based product. It's a natural product, and in some cases, although it is made for all skin types, it might be allergic to your skin. So make sure to do a patch test before you use it on your whole face. So it's time for me to show you how I use the Coconut Super Rich Facial Toner. So what I do is I take a cotton ball and spray and dampen the ball with this facial toner. So now I'm just gonna dab this wet cotton onto my face and keep it for some time before wiping it off. It will help in hydrating and refining my pores. And it smells like fresh coconut water, which is amazing. I just love the smell of coconut. So I hope you can see that my skin is glowing because of this toner. So that's how you apply it and make your skin absorb it for some time. And before applying your serum, which is the next step in skincare routine, you can just wipe it off very lightly like that. Just the excess, because the rest has been absorbed. Okay, so that is how it works. Also keep in mind that whenever you are applying this toner on your face, Do not spray it into your eyes. If that happens, immediately rinse your eyes. So if you are interested in purchasing this Coconut Super Rich Facial Toner from Wow Skin Science, I will leave purchase links in the description below. Do check them out. If you purchase any product from Wow Skin Science, make sure to scan the QR code that is on the packaging. If you scan this, it will give you the proof of authenticity. Also, if you want to know more about this product, you can just scan it and you can get information about this product. And Wow Skin Science have come up with their own shopping app, so you can check that as well. I will be back with a new video very soon, so stay tuned and keep subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to like this video, comment below if you have any queries regarding this product or anything that you want to say. You can comment below, and definitely share this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that whenever I upload my next video, you get to know then and there and you can watch it. Bye.